Welcome, everyone. It is the Sunday after Thanksgiving. There was a time in my life where I had Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, then Saturday, Sunday off. And I sure do miss that, especially since I worked a heck of a lot after those 2 days. Or the two days after Thanksgiving worked a lot, and there's going to be a lot more to come in this holiday season. So I don't know if I'm going to be making as many videos or if I'm going to have the chance to make as many videos. I'm still going to be making videos, but just it's all a time consuming thing. When I'm working a lot of my time is consumed. I was thinking about going to do maybe a little hike, but it is like 30 degrees out right now, so I'm gonna see if I can do what I can do just here at the homestead. You know, that might be interesting for a video to be made. If I could do enough interesting things at the homestead, perhaps I will make a video out of this. I mean, if you're seeing this, then that's the case. I did make a video out of it. So, my really old faded I Love New Orleans shirt. So come check it with me. See how this goes. And starting off with a little YouTube, watching Traveling Robert usually posts on Sunday morning. So I'm checking that out. It's weird because I actually have a video of me at this very place myself. So go check out my day in Chicago video, and I was in that very place that he's in right now. Anyways, not to be commentating this video too much, but starting off with some YouTube and some coffee because I need to pick me up. Going to do some grilling. So I do have meat that's been marinating. I wanted to use this grill with the charcoal, but that takes a little more time. So I'm gonna try out this puppy, and with nightfall not in the too distant future here, as it is December 1st, I figure it'll take a lot longer on the charcoal. Also watching some of the Patriots game. They're actually doing pretty good this game. Have a lead. I like the throwback uniforms also. And when I'm out grilling, I usually like to indulge in a beer. I was gonna say an alcoholic beverage, but no, beer. This is a Smith & Dove. And usually I listen to Irish music on Sundays, and I enjoy a Guinness or two, which I only have 2 Guinness left at the moment, so I figure I'll have this last Oak and Iron Smith & Dove, which is absolutely delicious. And while I have the beer smoothing out over there, I threw on some of this chicken. Still have a lot more, so it's gonna be a couple tries. Don't worry, I won't bore you with the cooking of meat the entire time of this video. And the Smith & Dove is a Scotch ale, I believe, but it's kind of a porter. Very good. I definitely recommend it. Oak and Iron. Andover, Massachusetts. Also, some Saw Doctors in the background. My highest viewed video, 4.8 thousand views. So if you're watching this because of that video, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And anyone who may not have subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Sláinte. That sky does look amazing. It's going to be a good sunset in just a little bit. I'm getting back to the Irish music. I want to give a rest in peace shout out to Seamus Mulligan, who passed away a couple weeks ago, that I've been listening to with my grandfather for a good amount of my life. His show actually is over now, and they're replaying some of his shows. But rest in peace, shout out to Seamus. Check out WROL AM 950, or they have an app. You can check out the app. Mostly what I listen to on the weekends. And RIP shout out to my grandfather as well. I miss him. Used to listen to this every weekend growing up, and then years later I moved in with him as he was getting on in years. And if it'll come into focus right there, that's what the app looks like. If anyone wants to download it. Now with the chicken all flipped, gotta go check the score of the Patriots game. Yeah, this could be it. Play clock down to 1 second. The Patriots might actually take this one. Oh no, we got a touchdown. Looks like it's going to be going into overtime unless they try to go for two and get it. Or if they don't. Oh, that is a bummer. They got the two. Yeah, this probably won't.
That was right on though.
I know, what a bummer. So, bummer about the Patriots. They lost by 1 point, but at least it was a good game. Just gonna go on a little bike cruise around the neighborhood while the food is a-cooking. I know this is probably my best video ever, right? But you know, gotta keep things interesting. Trying to find interesting things to do around the homestead, you know? After all, this is a interesting things to do without traveling too far from the homestead. And as nightfall rears its head, I am going to move on to the Guinness. Yeah, a lot of meat here, so doing it in little shifts here and there. Hopefully that stuff at the back is almost done. Sláinte, nonetheless. Gonna play a little Miss Pac-Man. Apparently I'm not that good at Miss Pac-Man. Maybe I'll do a little bit better at Galaga. So far, better. So, play a little pool.
What a play. Grammarly is an AI writing partner that helps you make your point.
She's got a clear shot and it is good.
Nothing. I'm not doing good at games tonight.
Okay, and going to end it here in the hot tub. It is 28 degrees out right now. Wow, it was cold coming out here. I haven't been out in the hot tub when it was cold in quite some time. But that was my video of interesting things to do without really leaving the homestead. I mean, I did go for a bit of a bike ride, but not utilizing my vehicle. I made it through the day. Hopefully this video wasn't too boring. You know, I could have showed more of my horrible game playing, both pool and the video game system. But it was kind of an eventful day, I'd say. Also, kind of a lazy, relaxing day, so it worked. If you stuck around for this, I'd like to thank you. And I'd like to thank you if you could please hit that subscribe button. If you have not done so already, you know, you could, I'm up to 231. You could be 232. You could be 233. It could be 1,000, which is the goal. But thank you anyway for watching this. Peace. Look at all that steam.